subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei has launched its new 5G-enabled smartphone under Enjoy series in China called Huawei Enjoy Z. Talking about the specifications, the Huawei Enjoy Z 5G features a 6.57-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate and 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 800 chipset paired with Mali G57 MP4 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256GB via nano memory card slot. As per the camera, the Huawei Enjoy Z 5G supports triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 16MP selfie camera under the water drop notch with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on EMUI 10.1 skin on the top. The device comes equipped by 4000 mAh battery with 22.5 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160 by 75.32 by 8.35mm and it weighs around 182 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Huawei Enjoy Z 5G has been priced in China for 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage variant at 1699 Chinese yuan, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 1899 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage option is priced at 2199 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in midnight black, sky blue, and pink color options. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Enjoy Z 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.